Want to add in-page push ads to your site and instantly boost your revenue? Watch this video till the end. I'll show you exactly how to set it up fast. Let's get started. Are you looking to monetize your website with one of the most reliable and highest performing ad networks for publishers? If so, you're definitely going to want to check out HilltopAds, a trusted, AdSense-friendly platform designed to help website owners earn more from their traffic without complications. HilltopAds is already powering monetization for over 30,000 publishers worldwide. Whether you run a blog, a news site, a streaming page, or any type of content website, your earnings will depend on your niche and the ad formats you choose. Getting started is incredibly simple. Step 1. Sign up for your HilltopAds account. Step 2. Verify your website and add the ad codes. Step 3. Start earning from your traffic quickly, safely, and reliably. In today's video, I'm assuming you already have your account set up, so go ahead and log in so we can start the tutorial. But if you don't have an account yet, no worries. Just check the link in the description below and create your HilltopAds account in under a minute. Once you've logged into your HilltopAds account, navigate to the Manage Sites and Zones section in the dashboard. From there, click on Websites to see a full list of all the sites you've added. Click on the website where you want to place ads and press Add Zone. From the available ad formats, choose the one that best fits your site's layout and niche. Give your zone a name and select the ad type. For this video, I'm choosing in-page push. This is a preview of the ad format you've selected, showing exactly how it will look and behave on your website once it goes live. Next, click Add Zone. HilltopAds will generate the ad code for you. Copy this code, then head over to your Blogger dashboard to add it to your website. Once you're in your Blogger dashboard, make sure you're on the Layout tab. Find the spot where you want to place your ad and click Add a Gadget. From the list, select HTML/JavaScript. In the title field, you can enter your zone name, and in the content section, paste the ad code you copied from HilltopAds. Finally, click Save, and your ad will be live on your website. As you can see, the in-page push ads are now live on your website. They appear not only on your homepage, but also on individual posts and pages, ensuring that every visitor sees your monetization efforts in action. What's really great about these ads is that they are dynamic. Every visitor may see different ads based on their interests and browsing behavior. If you're a new user, or even a seasoned pro, I highly recommend taking advantage of HilltopAds referral program. By bringing new publishers to HilltopAds, you can earn extra rewards and boost your earnings even further. All you need to do is copy your referral link and share it with your visitors or audience wherever they are, on your website, social media, or other platforms. It's an easy way to earn passive income while helping others start monetizing their websites too. HilltopAds offers a variety of ad formats to help you boost revenue and engagement. Choosing the right format depends on your site's layout and audience. Some of the most effective ad formats include Pop Under, Multi-Tag Banner, Multi-Tag In-Page, Multi-Tag Video Slider, Video Vast. With all these options, HilltopAds gives you complete flexibility to test and optimize the ads that perform best for your traffic. By mixing and matching formats, you can increase your revenue while providing a smooth experience for your visitors. Publishers love HilltopAds for its flexible payouts. Choose from USDT, PayPal, Bitcoin, Wise, wire transfer, or WebMoney. Keep in mind, each payout method may have different rates or minimum amounts, so be sure to choose the one that works best for you and maximizes your earnings. If you want a step-by-step guide to add and verify your website on HilltopAds, plus tips to earn from social media, Blogger, and WordPress, check out the playlist in the description. It covers everything from setup to advanced strategies.